In this video, we'll show the 5 best heat-resistant gloves on the market that will help you to choose the best one for you. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. Kiloline Professional Heat-Resistant Gloves. Kiloline Professional is one of the best heat-resistant gloves for hairstyling that are made primarily for hairdressers, so they can protect their hands from instantaneous burns. It could happen when they accidentally touch hot hairstyling tools like curling irons. You will still feel a bit of heat, but you can prevent your hands from getting burned. The materials used for making the gloves are very stretchable, providing you with a snug yet still comfortable fit. The only way that these gloves will not fit you is if you have extremely long and thin fingers. Number 2. WZQH Heat-Resistant Leather Forge Welding Gloves. These gloves are designed specifically for forge welding, a line of work that deals with extreme amounts of radiant heat, so these had no problem protecting hands from the amount of heat that comes from barbecue pits, backyard grillers, or barrel smokers. This product is made to handle all of those with ease. The outer layer is made of a 1.2 mm thick split cowhide, which is not just heat resistant but also cut resistant, puncture resistant, and wear resistant. Aside from that, the seams are double stitched using flame retardant Kevlar thread. Number 3. Cuisinart CGM 520 Heat-Resistant Silicone Gloves. Cuisinart CGM 520 heat-resistant silicone gloves are a nice upgrade to the usual silicone mitts and pot holders, considering how these gloves are completely made up of high heat-resistant silicone. These gloves offer more control and better grip as compared to regular mitts. Speaking of grip, the surface of these silicone heat-resistant gloves is textured on both sides. These little raised bumps helped me grip onto my grilling utensils better. These heat-resistant gloves at 500 degrees are also waterproof and oil-resistant. Number 4. MVZAWINO Heat-Resistant Oven Gloves. These are premium quality cooking gloves, and you can most likely tell just by looking at them. The top layer of these gloves is dotted with strips of silicone rubber, which is highly heat resistant. This provides the glove with grip even on surfaces that are a bit coated in grease. This layer is made entirely out of high quality aramid fabric, the same kind that is used by the military for making ballistic body armor. This layer can withstand over 1400 degrees Fahrenheit without burning. This is the equivalent of a blast furnace. Number 5. Semboh Extreme Heat-Resistant Barbecue Gloves. The thing that impressed me the most with these heat-resistant gloves for cooking is that they are made of 3 different material layers. The outermost layer is made of heat-resistant silicone. This material does not only provide heat protection but also offers extra grip even on wet and slick surfaces, making them one of the best fireproof gloves you can buy. The second layer of the gloves is made of DN aramid fibers. This material is highly resistant to heat, and like Kevlar, it is cut and puncture resistant.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.